Hi everyone, this is Nirala sir. I welcome you in next episode, and the next episode is what? Set 4. As we have been discussing SSC CGL Tier 1 previous year question paper which was conducted in 2024. Now the set is 4. As I promised to you that I would finish 20 sets from 2024 and 20 sets from 2025. So let's begin. Because I have already informed all those students who want to score better in SSC CGL exam, please watch our video continuously. It is going to very crucial for you. So let's begin with the first question. Okay, चलो देखते हैं पहला क्वेश्चन क्या है. क्वेश्चन की ओर आ जाते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर, ठीक है, एक क्वेश्चन है जो लिखा हुआ है, आपको देखिए 2 सेकंड का समय लीजिए और फिर आंसर करिए. ठीक है, अब देखिए ग्रामर का है, एंटोनिम है, सिनोनिम है, ये सब आपको समझ में आनी चाहिए. हो गया 2 सेकंड. चलो देखते हैं अगला क्वेश्चन. सॉरी, द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस हैज बीन स्प्लिट इनटू 4 सेगमेंट्स. आइडेंटिफाई द सेगमेंट दैट कंटेन्स ग्रामेटिकल एरर. ठीक है, ये ग्रामेटिकल एरर यानी ग्रामर से क्वेश्चन है. कहाँ से क्वेश्चन है? ग्रामर सेक्शन से. ठीक है, ग्रामर सेक्शन से क्वेश्चन है, तो हम लोग देखते हैं. कलर थोड़ा रेड लेकर के देखते हैं. ठीक है, ग्रामर से क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन है आफ्टर द कंसर्ट, ठीक है, वॉज ओवर, दे गो टू अ रेस्टोरेंट एट डिनर टुगेदर एंड टॉक्ड अंटिल मिडनाइट. अब इसी सेंटेंस को 4 भागों में स्प्लिट कर दिया है, डिवाइड कर दिया है. आपको बताना है कि कौन सा ऑप्शन सही होगा. ठीक है, तो बड़ा अच्छा है. एक क्वेश्चन जो है आंसर हमें जो यहाँ दिख रहा है, दे गो टू, ए नंबर में आंसर दिख रहा है. ए नंबर में आंसर कैसे दिख रहा है, इस चीज को थोड़ा सा डिस्कस कर लेते हैं दूसरा पेज लेकर के. ठीक है, एक कॉन्सेप्ट होता है कि पास्ट, अगर एक तरफ पास्ट तो दूसरी ओर भी पास्ट. ठीक है, अगर एक तरफ पास्ट तो दूसरी ओर भी पास्ट. जैसे क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है वॉज, तो आंसर में गो नहीं, क्या होना चाहिए? वेंट होना चाहिए. क्या होना चाहिए? वेंट होना चाहिए. इस वजह से क्या हो जाएगा कि हमारा फर्स्ट वाला जो है आंसर हो जाएगा. तो कॉन्सेप्ट क्या रखना है? एक तरफ पास्ट तो दूसरी ओर भी पास्ट. ठीक है, चलते हैं हम लोग अपने क्वेश्चन पे बैक. क्वेश्चन क्या था? आफ्टर द कंसर्ट वॉज ओवर. वॉज यहाँ पास्ट है. दे गो टू अ रेस्टोरेंट. अब ये गो क्या करने आ जाएगा? गो जो कि प्रेजेंट है V1. ठीक है, हमें इसके जगह पे क्या चाहिए? वेंट चाहिए. इस वजह से हमारा ए आंसर हो जाएगा. क्या हो जाएगा? ए आंसर हो जाएगा. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे हम लोग चलते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, पेज को खत्म कर देते हैं. चलिए ठीक है, 2 नंबर क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं. 2 नंबर क्वेश्चन आ गया. ठीक है, क्या है 2 नंबर क्वेश्चन? सिलेक्ट द ऑप्शन दैट एक्सप्रेसेस द गिवन सेंटेंस इन एक्टिव वॉइस. क्या हमें ध्यान रखना है? वॉइस. बड़ा बढ़िया फॉर्मूला कल बताए थे कि वॉइस यहाँ पे लिख देना है, प्रैक्टिस कर लेना है तो लिखने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा. ठीक है, उसके बाद जो है हमें देख लेना है. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा कलर नहीं होता है तो दूसरा ले लेते हैं. ठीक है, येलो ही लेकर के देखते हैं. एक्टिव वॉइस क्वेश्चन क्या है? वॉइस. जहां दिखे वॉइस, क्या दिखे? वॉइस. 2 भाग में बांट लेना है. एक तरफ V1 और V5 तो दूसरी ओर इस एम आर प्लस V3. इसी प्रकार का बहुत सारा बताया है कि अगर V4 लग जाए तो क्या आंसर में होना चाहिए? बीइंग होना चाहिए. ठीक है, क्या होना चाहिए? बीइंग होना चाहिए. लेकिन यहाँ पे कॉन्सेप्ट पकड़ना है, हम बता दिए ऑलरेडी डिटेल में इस चीज को. अगर जो बच्चे नहीं समझ रहे तो देख लीजिएगा, अपना क्वेश्चन पढ़ना है. बाई होम वाज ग्रामर टाउट टू यू. पहला नंबर तो ये देख लेना है कि उस ऑप्शन को रखना है कि बाई होम जहाँ पे लिखा हुआ रहे. ठीक है, बाई होम जहाँ पे लिखा हुआ रहे. ठीक है, उसको थोड़ा सा हम लोग देख लेंगे कि जहाँ पे अगर बाई होम क्वेश्चन में दे दिया, ठीक है, तो आंसर में हु ढूंढेंगे. अगर क्वेश्चन में बाई होम, सॉरी हु दे दिया इधर, ठीक है, हु दे दिया, तो आंसर में क्या ढूंढेंगे? बाई होम ढूंढेंगे. ठीक है, क्या ढूंढेंगे? बाई होम. अब देख लीजिए बाई होम, तो क्वेश्चन में हमें क्या, आंसर में क्या चाहिए? हु चाहिए. क्या चाहिए? हु. क्या चाहिए? हु. देखिए हु इसमें है, रहेगा, इधर नहीं है, क्या कि यहाँ बाई होम दे दिया. ठीक है, तो ये भी नहीं रहेगा, इसमें भी नहीं है, ये वाला रहेगा. ठीक है, तो कौन बच गया हमारे पास? ऑप्शन ए और डी. एसएससी, बैंक, रेलवे, किसी का भी कंपटीशन में बाय ऑल टीचर्स भी हैव बीन टाउट दैट यू हैव नॉट टू सिलेक्ट द करेक्ट आंसर, यू हैव टू एलिमिनेट द ऑप्शन. if you are eligible to eliminate all the options, all the three incorrect options, you will get your answer easily. So my suggestion is also to all that you have to first of all eliminate the option, not pick out the answer. As I when we saw the question by whom, okay, we need who is where in this sentence, in this sentence there is no who in other sentence. That's why we have to eliminate that option. It means the remaining option is what? The remaining option is option A, and the next is D. Again we have to observe in option D, again we have to observe in option D that there is what we have to observe. We want to go on the next page. Okay, we need, as I told you, V2 in the question, then we need in answer was, were plus V3. Now if we see had in the question, we need had been. If there is no had in question and there is a had been in option, we have to eliminate that option. Okay, then come back to the question. The question is what? Were here. Okay, sorry, we have eliminated all this option. We have only A and D. In D option we got had, and had is correct for those options that is in which we need had been. Had been, what? Had been. Okay, so we need to pick out the option in which had, then had been, it means had, but there is no had or had been in the question. That means we have to eliminate that option. The correct answer is what? Yani answer A. What is the correct answer? Option A. Just let's move on the next question. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, चलिए आते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे. व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन? सेलेक्ट द ऑप्शन दैट कैन बी यूज्ड एज वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूट फॉर द गिवन ग्रुप्स ऑफ वर्ड्स. It means there are groups of words in which we have to one word substitutions. Okay, one word substitution. A government by the official, a government by the official. Okay, it means board. गवर्नमेंट जो ऑफिशियल के द्वारा चलाया जाता है उसको क्या कहते हैं? ओके, प्लूटोक्रेसी means governed by wealthy person. Monarchy means the king, the son of king will become the next king. Bureaucracy, it means official will rule. Autocracy, it means single person will rule. That means the correct answer is what? A government by the official means the correct answer is bureaucracy. Let's move to the next question. Maybe some students are facing problem, but I try to speak English, because if you face problem, then you will try to find out the medicine. How can you get rid of the problem of English? Okay, so I will try continuously speak in my entire video more than 80% in English. Okay, let's move toward the next question, and the next question is what? Select the most appropriate synonym of the highlighted word in the following sentence. He tried to, there is highlighted word means alleviate. Alleviate means minimize something. Okay, minimize something. It means here alleviate means, here alleviate means, it means give relief. Give relief. Here is the exact meaning of alleviate means, get relief. Then relief. Then what should be the exact synonym? Synonym of the alleviate means relief, because swell something, increase, add something, it means more something, intensify, just increase something. So we can't pick out all these options. Then the correct answer is option A. Just let's move to the next question. The next question is select the most appropriate option to substitute the underlined segment in the given sentence. I have been living in Hyderabad since I am born. Okay, there is a question in which it has been written that I have been living in Hyderabad since I born. Actually, a person who is talking about by birth, I have been living in Hyderabad. If someone is living in Hyderabad since his birth, it means he is not talking about his present. He is talking about past, and past we do not use what? Am. Okay, so we need I was born. I was born. It means if the incorrect part is since I am born. I am born. Okay, what we need? Since I was born, because someone is talking about his past, not present. So the error part is what? Sorry, Error part is since I will be, sorry, we have to replace that option. Okay, so since I was born, it means question number 5's answer is what? Answer D, option D. Okay, let's move to the next question. If you are facing in any problem, you can text. Okay, I today determined myself that I have to speak English. Not determined, but I'm using English because you have to improve English. You are students of competition. Okay, and if you don't get English, how will you tackle of interviews, GD and personal interview, or whatever which is related to English? Okay, just get back to the next question, and we have to sort out the questions. Rectify the sentence by selecting the correct spelling of the misspelled word. Oh, there is a word which has been misspelled. We have to replace that option, word with the option which has been given option. Then it means we have to tell about the correct meaning of descendant. Okay, the correct meaning of descendant is what? Descendant. Descendant. Okay, the correct meaning is what? Descendant is DESCENDANT. It means the what is our answer? DESCENDANT. Answer C, option C. Then next to the move to the next question. Select the option that can be used as one word substitute for the given group of words. Now you have to tell one word substitution for that given group of words. Okay, a place where fruits trees are grown. It means a place where fruits trees, it means mangoes, bananas, just apples, different types of fruits trees are grown. That is known as, it means if we talk about garden, okay, you can say it means where flowers are grown. Okay, key where the materials at dockyard to just it is the part of dockyard where materials and articles have been deported at dockyard. Okay, museum, ancient things are kept. Orchard, orchard means a place. Orchard means a place, a place where in where fruit trees are grown. It means a place where trees of fruits are grown, that is known as orchard. Then the answer of question number 7 is option D. Then move to the next question. Okay, we are doing very fast because I have already told you that this is not our foundation, but we have to appear at the examination in the next month, or maybe some students face in the last week of this month. Okay, so move to the next question. Okay, select the most appropriate meaning of the idioms. Now you have to tell the exact meaning of that medium which has been printed here in yellow color. Okay, on the ball. On the ball means all the on the ball means, okay, ready, always ready to do anything. It means ready to quick answer without bothering anything. Okay, so on the ball means do anything immediately without thinking about the consequences, what the result we are going to face. Okay, it means aware of any change or developments and quick to react to them. It means this answer may be correct. Okay, how? Because I have already told you that on the ball means ready to answer quickly. That's why the first option will be the correct answer. Okay, answer A is correct. Now move to the next question. Here I think more children go to A, B, C, D. It means we have to we have to arrange a jumble sentence. Jumble sentence. Something is missing because here there is lack of a space. Okay, so there are 4 sentences, and there are 4 sentences, but it is not in sequence. We have to arrange it in sequence according to our knowledge. Okay, I have many times talked to you that when we solve out rearrangement, we have to find out the first point. First point is what? There was a king once upon a time. The government of India, the Prime Minister of India. Today I was reading a newspaper. I can show you that. I always say to you, you have not to study entire line of newspaper. You have to study headings. As you, PM used to take bow against substance abuse. It means Prime Minister of India requested the youth, please do not take alcohol. Now that kind of a thing teach about the what types of sentence would be the first sentence over here. Okay, so dear student, look at the which could be the first sentence. There we got there almost comes first. Okay, so this may be the first sentence. It means this may be the first sentence. Means D. There are more literate people in India today than ever before, but there are also more illiterate. Okay, if we talk about past, but according in comparison with past, we have more literate person, but also there are more illiterate person in our society. More children go to a school than at any time in the past, but more children today are out of a school. We are talking that in comparison with past, that most of the students are going to a school. Okay, but also most of the students are getting out of the school. Maybe the second option, because a number is the second. Okay, and I have already told you, but because because I will make a separate video, a short video of 5 to 6 minutes on this particular today. Okay, and uploaded on YouTube, Instagram. You can see how I deal with it. Okay, what because these two words basically comes in middle. Okay, middle, it cannot come in a starting and at the last. Okay, so but indeed, in reality, in fact, these kinds of words comes at last. Okay, such as what did I told you? Indeed, in reality, really, these types of word comes at last. Okay, so the third one would be what? B, and last one would be C. So our sequence is D, A, B, C is correct. How did I find out? You have to find out first. It means there was a king, there lived a person, there lived a common man. These kinds of the sentence comes first. Okay, move to the next question. Select correctly a spelled word. We have four words, and four words we have, we out of four, three are incorrect, and we have to get the correct answer. If you are observing here on the board, we get different types of word: entrepreneurship, bizarre, consensus, colleague. Okay, as according to my knowledge, entrepreneurship is correct, and four are out of three are incorrect. As I told you that colleague is written like this one. Okay, bizarre is like this one. Okay, and consensus, it means agree. Okay, so the correct answer is entrepreneurship, and the rest of the three are incorrect. Okay, so our answer is what? Option A. Move to the next question. How are you feeling? You have to comment in comment box, because today I'm getting everything in English. Okay, maybe I also face some problem, you also some face problem, but today I'm dealing with you in English, because what you have to improve, you have to improve English. Okay, and if you are not connecting yourself English to English, you may face problem. I don't say you have to study everything in English to English, but you have to face some problem English to English, and go and search dictionary and Google Translate for English Hindi. Okay, select the most appropriate synonym. It means synonym of the highlighted word, the same meaning of a word which has been printed in bold. Okay, deplorable means something not good, poor, worst, pitiable, appalling, bad condition. It means bad condition. As you can observe, jubilation or rejoicing, both are synonym to each other. Synonym to each other, each other. Okay, each other, because it means joy. So these two options cannot replace. And complaining, here it does not talk about complaint. That's what our option is. Answer is what? Option A. It means despicable is the synonym of deplorable. Okay, move to the next question. Select the most appropriate synonym of the highlighted word. Synonym, again we have to get a synonym. He was trembling with fear. It means someone when got fear, he was just moving. It means his body or her body is not under his control. Okay, it means just moving his or her body. Okay, then we have to talk about running, peeping, shivering. Oh, shivering and trembling, it means someone is just moving his or her body because of fear. So the correct synonym is shivering. Correct synonym is shivering. Okay. Move to the next question. Question number 15. Now select the most appropriate antonym. We got antonym means opposite. Okay, not same here. Opposite. She was elated about her promotion, but her colleagues felt quite disheartened. As I observed, the sense of the question is giving us that something, a girl who were someone, because there is a pronoun she, it means someone got promotion, so she was elated means very happy. Okay, but her colleague felt quite disheartened, or it means his colleagues friends were not happy. In that case, it is talk about happiness. Okay, happiness, cheerful, happy, delighted, very happy. Okay, and proud. If you do something extraordinary, everyone proud of you. That's why these are related to each other. Now the correct answer is discouraged. If someone is happy by getting promotion and someone is disheartened, it means hurt, demotivate, it means discourage is the correct answer. Just move to the next question. A person, select the option that can be used as one word substitute for. Okay, a person who sells and arranges cut flowers. Okay, a person who sells flowers is known as florist. Okay, florist means what? Florist means what? A person who sells flowers. Okay, a person who sells flowers. Okay, that means अब horticulturist. ठीक है, horticulturist, it means a big, it means a big orchard. Okay, we can say orchard here, and you are getting a gardener. Okay, and botanist, it means the father of a person who just take care of plants. Okay, so our correct answer is, you have to remember that a person who sells and arranges flowers. If we talk about flowers, the correct answer is related to flower is florist. It means in questions flowers, then we need also answer if florist. Okay, move to the next question. The next question is what? We have to select the most appropriate idiom to fill in the blanks. Okay, now I am about whether to accept the job or continue freelancing. Both options have their advantage. Okay, someone is talking about that there is a good job and I have opportunity to accept or not accept. It means he is confused. He or she is confused. He is not clear that he have to join or not. In case on the fence. Okay, left out cold, up in arms, cutting corners. Okay, it means left out in cold, it means neglect someone, no care of, neglected someone. Okay, up in arms, it means in rage, look at someone in rage, okay, and cutting corners means find out shortcuts. Okay, then on the fence means confuse. Okay, not sure what to do. Okay, so the correct answer is on the fence. Option A is correct answer. If you get some problem and if you are not getting my point, please see the question, and when the class is over you can take help Google and YouTube, whatever the social media platform. Okay, now we have to observe the next question. The select the option that expresses the given sentence in active voice. I have already told you we have to talk about voice. It doesn't matter whether active voice, passive voice. Okay, voice, there is voice. If we have voice, we have to look at two sides, left side, okay, and right side. If there is question in left side, then answer is right side, and if there is right side, then our answer is left side. Okay, so the contract was help us in getting. If there is was or were in the question, then we need v2. Okay, so if common word is what? Was. Okay, then we need v2. Okay, what? V2. We have to observe v2. Where is v2? Okay, the biggest telecom company in India grabbed the contract. Okay, if you are confused, we have not to pick out first of all the correct answer. We have to eliminate the option. The biggest telecom company in India grabbed. If we talk about D, there is no have H before it. Maybe V2. We have to check out the more options which have been given. Okay, the biggest telecom company in India grabs V5. We need V2, so we can eliminate this one. The biggest telecom company in India will. If we see will in active Y, then we need will V. So there is no will be. That's why this option also would be eliminated. The next, the biggest telecom company in India has. If we see has in question, we need has been, but there is no has been in question. So our correct answer is option A, because here is was, and if we see in the question was word, we need V2, and almost we all know that the word which ended with D mostly V2 or V3. Okay, move to the next question. Identify the word which is similar. It means we have to find out the similar words of the highlighted word. Okay, equivocal. Equivocal means not clear. Equivocal means not clear, and not clear means ambiguous. Ambiguous is the synonym of equivocal, because it also represents not clear. Okay, not clear. That's why the correct answer is option C. Okay, and some these are the normal options, so I'm not telling you the meaning of all these words. Okay, move to the next question. The question number 20 we have to face off. Question number 20 is what? Select the option that can be used as one word substitute. Okay, a small group of people who spend their time to get there. There is some problem here. Okay, and do not welcome other. It means a type of group of people who welcome only those people who are part of particular that group. These kinds of the things represent clique. What? Clique means a special group of people who do not allow the people of other society, and the rest of the meaning, you know. A squad, it means a squad of army, navy. Okay, lobby, you have always this word is related to goons, it means criminals, and these are this word one is related to employees, it means a person who works somewhere. So the exact answer is what? Clique. Okay, move to the next question. Identify the segment that contains a grammatical error. Okay, we have to move to the next question, and we have to find grammar. This question relates to grammatical rules. Renewable energy sources like solar and wind power will replace. Oh, we can see here will plus V1, not will plus V2. So incorrect part is what? With will replace. So we need to change the replace. Will replace. So correct answer is option A. Move to the next question. Identify the most appropriate antonym of the given word timid. Timid means, you know, not a brave person. It means coward. Okay, so we have to get the opposite meaning of that word. Okay, so anxious, no, it means worry. Okay, meek, it means humble. Spooky means just havoc, devastating. Okay, so daring is our correct answer. Daring is our correct answer. It means a person who has courage. Okay, so option C is correct. Move to the next question. Okay, now we have a passage, it means closed test, and we have 5 questions there. We have to put and fill that according to option. I have already told you, I have always tell you in all my video that if you want to solve out such question in your examination, please do not waste your time reading entire passage. You have to read where only particular there is some gapping and filler, and you have to put all the option which option is correct, and you have to also find out the connectors. Okay, like the third National Wildlife Action Plan for 2017 to 2031, underlying India's plan for wildlife conservation, was unveiled the Global Wildlife Program Conference. According to me, conference, okay, when we talk about conference, okay, conference, when we talk about conference, and always conference use at. What? At. Okay, according to option, which option is correct? At. Then how did I answer? I answered that there is a common word, conference, and conference took which preposition? Preposition at. So answer B is correct for question number 21. Okay, don't worry if you don't get a correct answer, and if you are confused, I will make separate video in our foundation batch. Or if you are watching my video regularly and facing any types of problem, you can comment me. I will try to improve that particular area. Okay, move to the next question. The third National Wildlife Action Plan for 2017 to 2031, underlying India's plan for wildlife conservation, unveiled the Global Wild Program Conference. The plan recognizes, addresses concerns pertaining to climate change and its impacts. So, okay, there is a plan for the wildlife, because which was launched at the conference which took place, Global Wild Program, in which different types of promises and identification are given. As we talk about recognizes, addresses, now next connector is both. If we separate two things, and for separating two things we need and, because the issue was discussed related to here climate change and impact of wildlife. Okay, so the correct answer is and. Correct answer is and. Option C is correct. Okay, move to the next question. The next question is, the plan details the importance of ecosystem for food production, health, and other aspects of survival. If you study any point, and if you go to the end of the point, you need to also put the option. Okay, the plan details the importance of ecosystem of food production, health, and other aspects of survival and sustainable development. It means it is talking about, the writer talking about here that the plan is related to or for the welfare of the people. It means aspects of related to human, group, breed. It means these three words are related to human, so the human is correct answer. And if you talk about, these are talk about for life, so life is in life section, the more important life is for what? Human. So human is correct answer. Okay, move to the next question. Okay, next question is our from here we have to take it also emphasizes preservation of genetic and sustainable utilization of a species and ecosystem, which has direct bearing on our scientific advancement and support millions of rural communities. Okay, we have to put rejection, diversity, focus, conflict. Here the writer is talking about not only human. Okay, he is talking about human, animals, and a lot of things has been also written below the that line. Okay, if we read here, it means just read out the entire sentence from here. It also emphasizes preservation of genetic and sustainable utilization of a species and ecosystem, which has direct bearing on our scientific advancements and support to millions of rural communities. The plan underscores rehabilitations of the threatened wildlife species, inland, aquatic, coastal, and marine ecosystems, while conserving their habitats. Okay, so here he is talking about, it means different types of things, and different types of things represents diversity. Okay, so diversity is the correct answer for option number question number 24. Now just move to the next question. The last question is we have to the plan underscore rehabilitations of threatened wildlife species, inland, aquatic, coastal, and marine ecosystem, while conserving their. Now we have to include, see here, including mixing, counting, gathering. Okay, gathering, it means something, store something, counting, count. Okay, and mixing, just mixer of something. It is not perfect according to it, because here is some words especially just mentioned: inland, aquatic, coastal, and marine ecosystem. Different types of the things has been mentioned. So now including is the correct answer. So the last answer of the last question is A. Okay, so I hope that you are score better, or you are getting some benefit. Today I tried to spoke the entire video a little bit in the beginning. I spoke in Hindi, but I tried to go through English to English, because my dear brothers and sisters, you have to improve your English, and without getting improvement in your English, you can't get a better job. If you get some problem, if you are stuck at any point, if you face any problem, you can text me. I will work on that particular area. Be part of GS journey continuously and Manthan classes continuously. Okay, if you want to score better, because we are in the next coming days after Independence Day, we are going to give a lot of things on this YouTube channels. Thanks a lot watching our videos.